How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a lazy eye in pictures. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So a lazy eye, when we are trying to get rid of it in pictures, there's a little technique that we can do. I don't recommend doing this permanently or long term because it won't really work. It's literally just for a picture. But after I show you this little technique, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a lazy eye altogether. There are some tips that you can do just to help strengthen the eye. So the first thing that I recommend to do if you're taking a picture and it's like it's going to be 5 seconds. So you literally, you do this little technique, you take the picture, done. What you can do is you can get your lazy eye, and what you can do is you can hold it up like this. So if it's lazy, like let's say it's lazy like this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it up like this, hold it for about 30 seconds. Then when you let go of it, it's gonna be raised for a little bit. Like it's not just gonna go back down, it's gonna stay raised for a little bit. Like you have maybe 5 seconds to take the picture. Then obviously what's gonna happen is it's just gonna fall back down. So that's how you would do it if you're looking to just take a picture. Like I'm talking a quick 2-3 second picture, that's it. What you wanna do is you actually wanna strengthen your lazy eye. So in the future, it won't be lazy and it'll actually be strong. So a simple way of doing this is literally just do word searches. That's it. Do word searches. But when you're doing them, you should wear an eye patch. So you can get an eye patch, I think on Amazon for like $3 or $5, whatever, super cheap, and they'll deliver it to your door. What you do is you put the eye patch over the eye that is not lazy. So if this is your lazy eye, like this, you would put the eye patch over this eye. Now, some of you are wondering, why in the heck would you do that? It's because when both eyes are visible, what's happening is your lazy eye is being lazy because this eye is being so strong. So what you gotta do is you gotta cover the strong eye, and now that lazy eye's gotta do all the work. What happens is it allows it to get stronger. So you don't need an eye patch. You can literally get a cloth or something and just put it over your eye, tape it, whatever, and then just do that if you really want a simple thing to do. So yeah, do word searches. The reason why word searches work is because you are focusing on every single letter that you are doing. So super simple. You're also doing tracking exercises as well. A lot of times you go to an optometrist, they'll tell you to do tracking exercises. What you're doing is you're naturally doing a tracking exercise. A tracking exercise is literally just following something. So when you're doing a word search, you're going from line to line trying to find the word. So every single letter you are looking at individually, and you're actually going from side to side. So that's why word searches are so simple. If you don't have access to them, just go on the internet, type in word searches, and a ton will pop up. You can even do them on your computer if you want to. Or you can print them off and then do them at your desk, whatever. That's what I recommend to get rid of a lazy eye, and believe it or not, it will strengthen it up and it will help you. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999.